In this video, we continue our tour of the designer interface with the Webflow tutorial. In Webflow, there are two types of backoffice. The first is the editor, the most basic. It's the one that lets you modify text and images without breaking your design. The second is the designer. The subject of the next few videos will be the second backoffice, and we'll show you how to get to grips with it for the first time. Let's follow the first Webflow tutorial, which lets you create new sections from a blank page. Let's imagine this becomes your home page. You can add a section with text and buttons inside. First of all, you need to add a container. You'll find them under the Wider button, or you can take the container and place it in the section. A container lets us add elements inside and give them rules. This is particularly important for responsive, so that the page adapts to all screens. Now your container is created, click on it to display the parameters on the right. In this tutorial, we ask you to set the minimum height to 400 pixels. Enter 400, press enter, and you'll see the block enlarged. Click again on the white button at the top left of your menu to add items. Here you can take elements and drag them into the central part of your screen. Let's take a header. You'll see that it says H1, so it's a level 1 title. The H1 is widely used in SEO. Let's add a button. Drag it into the section. The horizontal blue line indicates where the button will be placed. Now you'll have your header and button on the page. When you hover over the elements, Webflow tells you what they are. Select the container. In the settings menu on the right, there are several options. First, let's format this section as a flexbox, which will allow you to play with the alignment settings. Within the flexbox parameters, let's choose to make it vertical. This aligns the title and the button. Then align everything in the center, along with the justification. We can see that this has enabled you to place the header and button centered in the container. These are the first steps into the designer's world, and we'll be back in the next video to continue the lesson.